So my watermelon patch is doing very, very well this year, despite the heat. These 4 watermelons right here, practically touching each other, are pretty big. The combined weight of the first 2 melons that I picked from my garden this morning was 63 pounds. And even in all this heat, they've done very, very well. And the reason for that, see, I've had 2 friends this morning tell me that their gardens are all burned up and have not done well. And I think the reason for that is, if you look, oh my goodness, I just reach in here a little bit and look at this moisture. Look at that. And this is from, and it's about a foot deep. It's just about a foot deep. And all of this right here, was just like this on top, right here, when it was laid down. And so it's decomposed really well, really fast over the winter. And it makes for very consistent moisture and nutrients in the soil. And I think that's why my garden has done so well. My tomatoes are done very, very well over there. I don't know if you can see that one. That tomato right, oh, I can't see, over yonder, that big one that's kind of right there and there. Those are huge tomatoes. And so we're putting up a lot of tomatoes this year. But again, I think it's because of the compost. I'm sure it's because of the compost and how well it retains moisture. So Vicky's been canning our tomatoes. We have quite a few tomatoes that are coming in. Plenty more out there in the garden, and lots of them that are getting ripe. And here are the 3 tomatoes that we really like. This is a Cherokee purple tomato with a green top. It looks like it's just green, but it's really delicious. And this is a green zebra. And this one here is Mr. Stripey. And when you cut this open, it looks beautiful. So does this one. And so does this one there. I mean, it's totally green, but it tastes great. I mean, if you were blindfolded, you wouldn't know that this was anything but a red tomato. And of course, coming out of the garden, they taste really, really good. Right, Vicky? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, these tomatoes have been great. And again, because we're composting and we have all this compost material, then if you dig down a little bit, I mean, look at the moisture right here. It's just really great. Of course, we've had good moisture, but the heat has been burning a lot of things up for a lot of people's gardens. And so I think, again, the compost is really a big secret here.
And then I walked off. And
Do it again.
Here you go.
I think that's the attention getter.
That's a good share for me.
Yum, Jonathan.
What's that?
That is trout. That Harry caught it at Edisto.
Sea trout.
Dad used the tongs.
Huh?
He used the tongs. That's
Oh,
why.
okay.
Dad.
Flounder.
I agree with him.
Ooh, what's that? Strawberries?
Strawberries.
Strawberry.
I must have
Yay.
seen somewhere.
Yay. Are we
Picture or
No,
video?
it's a video.
Do you want ketchup?
Nice.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Strawberries.
I didn't.
Where are the? Here they are. And
Where are they? They're all gone. Okay, the whole family's here.
More of a man. Like,
The whole family. Okay, these are the bears up for adoption. And this one right here has already been bought and paid for. We got this little guy right here. And we have this bear in a log right here. We have this bear in a log right here. We got this guy. We have this guy. the dancing bear who is swaying. We have this one right here who is standing up straight and tall, head attention. And we have this one right here. Okay. Yep, that ought to do it.